link building remains one of the most effective ways to enhance website authority and improve search rankings. You know, it's a fundamental part of SEO strategy. Backlinks play a crucial role in search engine optimization. Websites with high-quality backlinks tend to rank higher in search results, as they are perceived as more authoritative. Plus, link building also helps with driving referral traffic from reputable sources, increasing domain authority and trust, and enhancing content discoverability. It's all about creating a robust online presence. By using ethical link-building techniques, you can build a strong foundation for long-term SEO success. So, let's talk about do-follow versus no-follow links. Do-follow links pass SEO value and contribute to rankings, while no-follow links do not. Although no-follow links don't directly impact search rankings, they still provide referral traffic and brand visibility. It's kind of like building a network of trust and relevance. Internal links connect pages within the same website, improving navigation and distributing page authority. On the other hand, external links point to other domains, offering additional value to users while establishing credibility with search engines. It's all about balancing both to create a comprehensive link strategy. Guest blogging remains an effective way to earn authoritative backlinks. By contributing valuable content to relevant websites, you can establish yourself as an industry expert. Plus, it gives you the chance to gain exposure to new audiences and secure those contextual backlinks from trusted sources. To maximize results, focus on writing for reputable websites within your niche and providing unique, high-value content. Now, let's talk about content marketing for link building. High-quality content naturally attracts backlinks. Effective content-driven link-building strategies include creating in-depth guides and tutorials, publishing research-backed case studies, and developing engaging infographics and interactive content. These are all great ways to draw attention and earn those valuable links. When your content is valuable, other websites will naturally link to it, boosting your SEO. It's all about providing that value, and the links will follow, enhancing your site's authority and visibility. Broken link building is a pretty powerful tactic that involves finding broken links on relevant websites and then suggesting your content as a replacement. This method works well because it helps website owners improve user experience. Plus, you gain a legitimate backlink without needing to create new content. To get started, you can use tools like Ahrefs or Screaming Frog to identify broken links and reach out to website owners with your replacement suggestions. While link building is essential, certain mistakes can actually harm your SEO efforts. It's important to avoid these pitfalls. When it comes to buying links, it's important to know that paid links actually violate search engine guidelines and can result in penalties. So, when it comes to link building, focusing on quantity over quality can really backfire. Honestly, just a few high-authority links are way more valuable than having a ton of those low-quality ones. Ignoring anchor text diversity is a pretty common mistake. If your anchor text is too over-optimized, it can actually trigger spam filters. It's best to use a mix of branded, generic, and keyword-rich anchors for a more natural profile. By following ethical link-building strategies, you can maintain a strong backlink profile without risking penalties. It's all about playing by the rules for long-term results. Effective link building requires patience, strategy, and sticking to best practices. By focusing on quality backlinks, leveraging content marketing, and avoiding common mistakes, you can really enhance your website's authority and search engine rankings. Prioritize white hat methods to achieve sustainable SEO growth and long-term success.